Yeah, hi, this is Tom Caliento, and I'm going to walk through with you how to produce a year-to-date budget report in Munis with detail, and this is what it looked like in the end. This is my department, and the detail is showing you each weekly expenditure warrant and the warrant numbers. T is for town payroll warrant 11, fiscal year 11, 01 payroll 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down. And then the totals. For non-payroll item, it will look like this. Office supplies, and you have your totals. This is your vendor and your related expenditures, the check dates, APIs, accounts payable, invoice, and then the invoice, vendor invoice, and the purchase order and or the purchase order. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. So open up this, and let's see if we can get this to work. First thing you do is go to Financials, A, F, B for year-to-date budget report. We're going to go to Segment Find, and then do a report on my department. In the general fund is 01. You can click the full list of funds available here and sort them by fund number, up, ascending or descending, like that. Or you can also sort by alphabetical order by clicking the description line. It just makes it easier to find things. I'll close that for now. And each one of these have full list of options sortable if you want to choose that. Right now we're just going to put in 135 for the accounting department. And we want an expenditure report. So accept that. Next, go to report options. For the report options, we want to report for my department totaled and all the object code line items under that totaled. You can name the reports here. You got 2 lines to name them. In print options, we want to make sure that the totals only box is unchecked because we want details. Here we want fiscal year 2011, period 9, which is the 9th month in the fiscal year, and that's through March. We want to look at current year only figures. That's for this fiscal year 2011. However, if we wanted to see the purchase orders and encumbrances and expenditures carried over to fiscal year 11 from 10, you can choose that. And the gap method would provide you both the current year budgets and totals plus what was carried into this year. But right now we're just going with the current year only because it's just a refresher on how to print a year-to-date report with detail. So next, go to additional options. Print journal detail, you want to make sure that box is checked. And from and to the year and period. So we want from 2011, period 1 is just July, fiscal year 2011 through period 9, which is March. Accept it. We will go through these other options in other sessions, but right now we're just going for a simple report. Accept it, file exit. Display the report, make sure it's what you want, and it is. It's what we first looked at when we started. Oh, and you can go to the last page, click through all the pages, and here's your totals on the last page. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, again, make sure you give us a ring. Thank you.